Have you been searching for a large home, maybe 5 bedrooms and a massive loft? 3 Sombrado is the home for you. Let's check it out. Thank you for viewing 3 Sombrado. Really got to see this house in person to appreciate all it has to offer. For further information or to schedule your own private showing, call the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in South Orange County.